Iziko Ry Ikinyamakuru, aho tubasomera amakuru mu binyamakuru ku isi hose. Soldiers says power in Guinea-Bissau and detain the president. Nongeye kubashimira, nongeye kubasuhuza aho muri hose, mwiriweho. Ndagarutse nishimiye kubagezaho aka kanya kacu k'Iziko Ry Ikinyamakuru, aho mbasomera amakuru avuye mu binyamakuru ku isi hose, tukareba uko ibintu bihagaze. Ugiye kubasomera uyu munsi na wundi ni njyewe Modeste Uwonzi, icyo kunywa kitabura ku birori. Reka dukomeze tureba aya makuru icyo avuga. Soldiers says power in Guinea-Bissau and detain the president. A group of military officers say they have seized control of Guinea-Bissau amid reports that the president Umaro Sissoco Embalo has been arrested. Shortly after gunshots were heard in the capital Bissau, government sources told the BBC that Embalo has been detained. The officers then appeared on state TV saying they had suspended the electoral process as the West African nation awaited the outcome of the Sunday's presidential election. They say they were acting to throw a plot by unarmed politicians who had the support of a well-known drug baron to destabilize the country and announce the closure of its borders and imposed a nighttime curfew. The sandwiched between Senegal and Guinea, the coup-prone country is known as a notorious drug trafficking hub where the military has been influential since independence from Portugal in 1974. The election results were expected on Thursday. Both Embalo and his closest rival, Fernando Diaz, had claimed victory. Diaz was supported by former Prime Minister Domingos Pereira, who had been disqualified from running. Late on Wednesday afternoon, Embalo told France 24 in a phone call, "I've been deposed." Government sources has since told the BBC that Diaz, Pereira and Interior Minister Boch Kende have also been detained. The putschists have taken Army Chief Gen Biaguena Tan and his deputy Gen Mamadou Traore into custody too, the sources say. In a joint statement, readers of election observation missions from the African Union and the West African bloc ECOWAS expressed deep concern with the announcement of a coup d'etat by the armed forces. They say the country had been prepared for the announcement of the election results after what it described as orderly and peaceful process. It's regrettable that this announcement came at a time when the missions had just concluded meeting with the two leading presidential candidates who assured us of their willingness to accept the will of the people, they said. Witness in Bissau had gunfire earlier on at around 1 p.m., but it was not immediately clear who was involved in the shooting or if there were any casualties. Hundreds of people on foot and in vehicles fled, seeking shelter, and the shots rang out, the AFP news agency reported. Later on, General Denis Ngangha, head of the military household at the presidential Paris, read out a statement declaring a takeover. He said officials He said officers had formed the high military commander for the restoration of order and instructed the population to remain calm. Checkpoints have been erected across Bissau and the streets were deserted ahead of the curfew that was due to start at 7 p.m. Portugal has called for a return to constitutional order, with its foreign ministry urging all those involved to refrain from any act of institutional or civil violence. The former Portuguese colony has witnessed at least 9 coups or attempted coups over the last 5 decades. Embalo had said he has survived multiple coup attempts during his time in office. However, critics allege he has fabricated crises in order to crack down on dissent. The 53-year-old had wanted to make history as the country's honorary president to secure a second consecutive mandate in the last 30 years. He had initially said he would not seek a second term. Prior to the delayed pause, his legitimacy had been questioned, with the opposition saying his term should have officially ended in February 2025. Guinea-Bissau is one of the poorest countries in the world, with a population of more than 2 million people. Its coastline has many uninhabited islands, making it ideal for drugs traffickers, with the UN dubbing it a narco state as it has been a key transit point for cocaine coming from Latin America to Europe. Ayo niyo makuru dushoboye kubashakira, tukaba tuyabagejejeho tuyavanye mu kinyamakuru BBC. Ndabashimira abakomeje gutega amatwi bakumva aya makuru twasomaga. Mwakoze byiza cyane, kandi nizere ko hari ikintu cy'ingenzi muvanyemo. Natararangiza ino video, ndashaka kubashimira mwese abakoze subscribe kuri iyi channel, abafata umwanya mukayisangiza inshuti n'abavandimwe, murashimirwa cyane. Nataragera aho ndangiriza, ndashaka kumenyesha abantu bose bafite gahunda yo kutura muri Amerika, abatuyeyo, abakigezeho bashyashya. Njye mfite gahunda yo kwigisha abantu gusobanukirwa uko credit ikora cyangwa kubaka credit score muri kino gihugu cya Amerika. Ni ikintu cy'ingenzi cyane. Ushaka gusobanukirwa byinshi, ushaka kumenya uko ikora bivuye ku muhanga wabyo, bivuye ku muntu bifitemo experience, kandi wifuza gufasha abantu gusobanukirwa imikorere ituma umuntu ashobora kugira ibyo agura kandi bitamusaba kuba ahenzwe cyane, kandi ukaba inyangamugayo mu kubaka iyo credit. Bisaba gusobanukirwa n'ibintu byinshi. Njyewe ndi hano hafi, wangeraho ukoresheje direct messages. Mfite link ya TikTok muri description kuri iyi channel. Wajya muri description ukangeraho ukama direct message, tugashobora gukorana, ugashobora gusobanukirwa uko bino bintu bikora, kuko biragufasha mu gihe gitoya ukayisobanukirwa nka kavukire. Kuko uramutse utabisobanukiwe ukajya muri ubu buzima, ni ibintu bishobora kugutwara imyaka 5, 6 kugeza ku 10 kugira ngo umenye icyo gukora icyo ari cyo. Iyo ni imyaka myinshi uzaba wishize mu nzira mbi yo ya financial crisis, kandi wakagombye kuba muri iyo myaka 5 hari ikintu kinini wagombye kuba ugezeho utavunitse mu bwonko, kandi ari ibintu bituma utera imbere. Ndabashimira cyane abageze ahangaha muri iki kiganiro cyacu cyitwa Iziko Ry Ikinyamakuru, aho mbasomera amakuru. Nizere ko amakuru nabasomeye uyu munsi yari meza cyane. Mugire ibihe byiza, mwirirwane amahoro y'Imana.